Good morning, student. The last class, physical divisions of India. Physical divisions of India பார்த்தோம். Physical divisions: Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, the Northern Mountains, Northern Great Plains, Peninsula Plateaus, Island, coastal areas. Now, I am going to take the topic physical divisions of Tamil Nadu. Physical division or physical geography of Tamil Nadu. Physical geography of Tamil Nadu. On 26 January 1950, it was formed a Madras state. As a result of the 1956 the state reorganizations மறுசீரமைப்பு act of the state boundaries were reorganized. Tamil Nadu on January 14, 1969 by C.N. Annadurai, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. ஸோ மொழியின் அடிப்படையில் முதலாக பிரிக்கப்பட்ட மாநிலம் ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட் டு பி கிரியேட்டட் ஆன் லிங்குஸ்டிக், தட் மீன்ஸ் எ மொழியின் அடிப்படையில். த பேசிக் வாஸ் ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ், ஆந்திரா, இன் 1953. So Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C.N. Annadurai, January 14, 1969 மெட்ராஸ் ஸ்டேட்டுங்கிறத தமிழ்நாடுன்னு சேஞ்சஸ் பண்ணுறாரு. ஸோ at present in Tamil Nadu is one of the 28 state of India. ஸோ இந்தியாவில் 28 ஸ்டேட் இருக்குது. அதில் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டேட் தமிழ்நாடு. ராஜஸ்தான் இஸ் த லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட் இன் இந்தியா. இந்தியாவிலே ராஜஸ்தான் இஸ் த லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட். ராஜஸ்தான். So Rajasthan is the largest state in India. The smallest state in Goa. இந்தியாவிலே smallest state எதுனா கோவா. The Tamil Nadu 11th largest state in India. Tamil Nadu 11th largest state in India. So first largest state in Rajasthan, the smallest state in Goa. In Tamil Nadu, the 11th largest state in India. So now the location and size. Tamil Nadu today location and size. Tamil Nadu extend from 8 degree 4 minutes in north, 8 degree 4 minutes in north to 13 degree 35 minutes in north. 13 degree 35 minutes in the north. So Tamil Nadu is located, the extent 8 degree 4 minutes in the north to 13 degree 35 minutes in north. the latitudes and from 76 and from the 76 degree 18 minutes in east, 76 degree 18 minutes east, and the 80 degree 20 minutes in the east. So the longitudes. So longitudes, you know that the longitudes and latitudes. So longitudes means the lines of longitudes is called a meridians, straight lines, meridians. The longitudes runs from north to south. The longitudes runs from, so is north, here south, so north to south, and latitudes runs from east to west, is parallel lines, is a parallel. Longitudes north to south, latitudes east to west. The locations of these: in Tamil Nadu 8 degree 4 minutes to 13 degree 35 seconds in the latitudes, so இப்படி cross lines, and from 76.18 minutes the east to 8 degree 20 minutes in the east. So in the longitudes na north to south lines, and its estimates are, so Tamil Nadu first one is the eastern side, the point of Calimere or Kodikarai. The eastern side is the point of Calimere or Kodikarai, and the western side is Anaimalai. The northern side the Pulicat Lake, and the southern side the Cape of Comorians. So India Tamil Nadu எல்லைகள். One is the eastern side, point of Calimere or Kodikarai, and the northern side Pulicat Lake. Northern side is located in Pulicat Lake, and western side is Anaimalai. The southern side the Cape of Comorians. The Tamil Nadu, it covered the area. The Tamil Nadu covered the area 1,30,058 square kilometers. The Tamil Nadu cover an area of 1,30,058 square kilometer. So you know the Tamil Nadu 11th largest state in India. The Tamil Nadu only occupied 4% of the area of the country. Tamil Nadu only occupied the 4%. 28 state length. Tamil Nadu 4% of the area of the country. Next one is boundaries and neighbors. Tamil Nadu boundaries and neighbors countries. So Tamil Nadu is bounded by the Bay of Bengal, in the east side, Bay of Bengal in the east side, and Andhra Pradesh in north side, Karnataka in northwest side, Kerala is located in west side, Kerala is located in west side, Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean in the south side. Here is Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka is separate from Balk Strait, Gulf of Mannar and Balk Strait, Bay of Bengal in the east, Andhra Pradesh in north, Karnataka in northwest side, and Kerala in western side, Indian Ocean in south side. Here is Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka is separate from Gulf of Mannar and Balk Strait.